Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to deposit money on your Pocket Option account using Binance. Now the first thing you have to do is to visit the Pocket Option website. So let's go onto Pocket Option and then click on the first link here. So make sure it's pocketoption.com and not a phishing website. And then here you will find the deposit button. So of course you need to log in or create an account and then you'll find yourself on this homepage. So click on deposit and here we find many ways to add money onto your account. So let's click on Binance Pay because that's what we're focusing on in this tutorial. So on the amount, type here your amount that you want to deposit, and then here click on continue and pay $100. Now it will redirect you to the payment details page. So here you'll find yourself on this page. So wait for it to be loaded for a few seconds. And here you will be able to continue in browser. Now once you are here, click on continue on browser and then click on deposit now. Now here you'll find the coin. So let's say for example USDT as we have chosen on Pocket Option. For the network, select any network that you want. I recommend you to use TRX. And in the deposit address, get an address and then just copy it on Pocket Option and you'll be good. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.